What's up guys, welcome to Man About Bake. I'm your host Joshua John Russell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make my delicious vegan chocolate cake recipe. I'm gonna create little chocolate bundt cakes and we're gonna finish them with all kinds of fun decorations. Let's do it!
I'm gonna eat all of them.
Yeah. All right, to start my chocolate cake, we're getting all of our dry ingredients into the bowl. Now this cake, like I said, is vegan, but you have to make sure you use vegan sugar because sugar, just regular sugar from the store, is not considered vegan because it's
got squirrels in it.
It's got so many squirrels in it. No, they use animal bones in the manufacturing process, but you can get vegan sugar, certified vegan sugar.
That's gross that they use animal bones.
It is gross. You should read about it.
I don't think so. I think I just want to keep enjoying sugar.
So we got sugar flour, got our delicious cocoa powder. This is one of those times where I would say use a really, really nice, delicious cocoa powder. We do espresso powder as well. This is gonna bring out the flavor more of the cocoa powder. It's not gonna make it taste like coffee. If you wanted it to taste like coffee, double that. Then you would have sort of like a mocha idea. We have salt here, and we have some baking soda. So I don't really like sifting, as you can tell. I let the mixer do it for me. So if we turn it on stir, get all this stuff out of the way, that's gonna sift.
You know another way you could sift that?
Is to sift it.
Animal bones.
No. Vegan, James. No animals will hurt at all. Okay, now we can add our wet ingredients. This is almond milk. So almonds were milked, but they did not like it.
I can still hear the screams of the almonds.
But they're not animals. So I added vinegar to that. This sort of makes it curdle, almost like a buttermilk. So that's gonna react with the baking soda and salt and with the acid in the cocoa powder to get our rising out of this. That's why we don't need the eggs. And then we'll just throw the vanilla into the water. I know vanilla seems weird for a chocolate cake, but for me, vanilla is like salt for pastry stuff. It brings out the flavors. Okay, so we're gonna add most of our liquid quickly. So this is gonna get like a real thick sort of brownie batter. This will get all your lumps out. So once it's really smooth, then we'll add the rest of our water. All right, now we can turn it out. I'm gonna give it a scrape too. All right, that looks nice and lumpy free. Pour in the rest of our water and get splattered. I've got on a white shirt, dude. You gotta be calm today, all right?
I thought that was a really brave move when we were doing chocolate cake and you wore the white.
Guarantee you when we're done with this, I'll still be perfect.
Have them comment below if they think this actually happened.
Yeah. Oh, what do you mean? You don't believe me? Who thinks I'll be clean at the end of this? Comment below. But comment before you see the end of the video. Beautiful. Oh my God, it smells so good. Look how beautiful that looks. Yes. All right. Now I'm gonna grab my mini bundt pans and we're gonna make some little mini bundts. I'm transferring my chocolate cake batter into something more manageable and then using a spoon to fill my bundts 3/4 of the way up. And now off to the oven. I got my mini bundts out of the oven. They're cooled. By the way, whenever you bake these, if they have like a dome, just slice it off. That way it sits flat. Now it's time to decorate. So I've got a bunch of different decorating accoutrements. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do 5 different styles. First one I'll start with is strawberry. Strawberry buttercream with chocolate. Yeah.
So you made little bundt cakes, but you'd make a normal cake out of this recipe too, right?
Oh yeah. You can make cupcakes, you can make whoopie pies, you can do all kinds of stuff with it.
You know what they say about whoopie pies?
I don't think I want to know.
They say they taste good.
That they taste good? Oh, that's it?
Yeah. What did you think it was gonna be?
Something inappropriate. All right, I get some espresso buttercream here.
Espresso?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my.
I just started liking gold. It's a brand new thing.
It's a new thing for you? Never done it before. What do you got there?
It's just some buttercream.
Okay. So what if people wanted to get your recipes for the buttercream and stuff you're using?
I got an ebook, Mac ebook. You can get it right down there. Mm-hmm.
Sprinkles first.
Sprinkles first, always. I need to get that shirt made. Sprinkles first. I have pieces of edible cookie dough. Sometimes I'll like make up a new sprinkle mix and that will determine what the cake's gonna look like. So yeah, sprinkles first. I'm gonna do one that's glazed. I got some ganache here. You know what would be super rad right in the middle of that? Chocolate dip cherry.
Oh my gosh.
That's what it needed.
Joshua, how big a deal would it be if 6 of these cupcakes were missing?
Not a huge deal, I got more. You saw that pan I put in the oven, this isn't all of them.
Okay.
I'm willing to share with you, James. What should the last one look like?
Caramel?
Ooh, yeah, I have caramel. Let's do some caramel. Let's just do like a
Daddy.
So maybe we'll put a blueberry down in here. Of course, my blueberries are teal because I'm extra like that.
I'm extra. I want to eat this and take a nap.
Oh yeah, the espresso, dude.
Right? Mm-hmm. You eat Trippies.
If it was up to me, I would put that chocolate ganache on everything.
Surprise, surprise. My chocolate cake recipe mini bunts are complete. I think they turned out super festive. If you guys want this recipe or any of my favorite recipes, I have a Man About Bake ebook you can download and get them all for free. Let's go to a party, guys.
Hey, Joshua, can I eat like 7 of those?
You can have 1.
3.
0.
5?
You gotta shake it a little so it
Shake it like a salt shaker?
kinda shake it like $1, 5 or 10.
I get it. Don't shake it. I probably won't.
I probably won't.
This is definitely the party. This is the guy that gets expelled out of high school.
Oh yeah, he didn't go back.
No.
He didn't even get his GED.
No.
But he's showing up with the tequila. Okay. I'm transferring my chocolate cake batter into something more manageable and using a spoon to fill my Bundt cavities. What is Bundt cavities?
It's a weird word.